Chain of thought prompting is another technique which help you handle complex tasks. We have two kinds of problem, one are simple and other are complex. Simple problems can be solved in one step, but for the complex tasks, the solution is always done in multiple steps. That is where chain of thought prompting help us. Let's understand this technique with a simple example. When we have a simple problem like 5 plus 3, the answer to it can be done in one step, that is 8. And we know that there are no intermediate step that we need to verify. But on the other hand, there are some complex problems that have multiple step solutions. Let's take an example of mathematical formula, that is a plus b whole square, and we want to know the answer of it with a equals to 3 and b equals to 4. Let's ask ChatGPT what would be the answer to this formula. You see, when I asked it to solve this formula, it solved it in the step. That is exactly what chain of thought prompting is. It is about thinking in steps and also writing those steps down for us. Instead of just giving us final answer 49, it gave us all intermediate steps so that we can see all the intermediate steps. This was a simpler case. Now let's move on to some advanced case where chain of thought prompting can help us. Let's take a case where I am in a situation to choose between two options. One option is renting out a house at $1,500 per month, and the other option is buying a home that is worth $300,000, but with that I need to take a loan that requires a monthly payment of $1,800. I'm not sure which option to choose. Let's ask ChatGPT if it can help us with this. So it suggests us that we should buy a $300,000 home with a mortgage payment of $1,800 per month. It also suggests us a reasoning paragraph that says with every $1,800 paid per month, it will lead us to own an asset rather than the rent. But this is not a complete cost benefit analysis. It requires multiple intermediate steps that we need to know in order to make a decision. Now let's change our prompt and ask it to think step by step, that is use of chain of thought. I added the same statement, but with that I added line that will help us use chain of thought prompt. Now you see it breaks down the solution in step by step using a cost benefit analysis framework. It compares monthly cash outflow, any upfront cost that is involved in both option, any equity building and other ownership costs, any tax payments involved in both options, and it makes a table for overall cost benefit analysis and gives us a solution that is buy a house that is worth $300,000 and involves a monthly mortgage payment of $1,800. Now we know if we buy the house, why should we buy the house, and what are the costs that are involved in buying that house. So that is how chain of thought prompting help us solve all the complex problems and gives us the most effective solution. Not only that, it also helps us to verify the solution by showing us all the intermediate steps, and we can find if LLM has made any error in any of the steps.